look up and levitate. Get up to eye level and look just as surprised as me. Gently place himself back there and slowly walk away. At least before you show him off, he should be able to do some rudimentary card tricks. You know, a little sleight of paw. Pick a card. Right there, I'd be blown away. Right. 3 of hearts, don't worry about it. When you shuffle, no opposable thumbs, and ask me to pick a card, that was the trick. It's not the jack of spades, no, when you do it, and then enunciate. For me to even pick a card, that was magical. It's not the king of clubs, incidental, it's incidental, it's incidental, it's incidental. Friendships are precious, man.
Fucking great.
You can lose a friendship over one word. One word, friendship's over. And you have to be extremely careful about that. We had some friends over for dinner, and everything was going fine. I still can't believe I didn't think about this. One of our guests said, "Would someone please pass the cats up?" It's sad, you know, because we know we're never going to see them again. You can't have people like that in your house. You have to draw them.
True.
Some words are better for one gender than the other gender, you know, like flattered. I don't know. I use that word because I can't think of a guy version. I just feel weird when I say it, though. Hey, good job, Ryan. I'm flattered. Flattered. Just doesn't seem right. You never hear a hunter using that. Hey, good shot. I'm flattered. I just wish it was a macho way to convey that concept, you know. Hey, good job. I'm grizzle soccer. Some words are interesting. You can put a word in front of another word and completely alter the definition, you know? Model prisoner. Talk about putting some spin on something. Have you heard about our nephew? Well, apparently his penitentiary has bestowed upon him the honor of model prisoner. So what's the plural of hair? You know? One hair, 2 or 3 hairs, head full, hair. When does that S peel off? Well, you won't be needing me anymore. You got the idea. More than one. I gotta go. It doesn't make sense. It should be, Edna, I love what you've done with your hairs. It should say hair if she literally only has the one. Edna, I love your hair, the way you've swirled it around and swooped it and put a scrunchie in there. You should be proud of your hair. She should be. It's beautiful. Well, anyway. So I'm trying to learn things. Man, that is hard. Have you ever tried it? What do you do, man? I've tried everything short of reading. I'm running out of ideas. No, I'm trying to learn how to want to read a book. I know how to read a book. I'm trying to learn how to want to read a book. Have you ever been where everything's perfect, you know, you're in bed, the blanket's up to here, the light's at a perfect angle, you have a new novel, you're like, I still don't want to do this. Ceiling cracks.
Oh my God.
Now, I was in a library once, and you ever seen how thick those books are? Can you imagine reading one in your wildest dreams? They're too big, man. I can't commit to something like that. I can read a magazine article, that's about it. And even then, I look ahead to see how long it's going to be. This looks interesting. It's not that